Sunny, sorry, there was a mistake. The lift man came, this guard came, okay, some client has come, so I ran that side, but the client has gone to 94. He may come this side also. Okay, I was showing you number one room. This is the bathroom. This is inside, only one light, small light there. And here is the inner side portion. That's the what maximum they could do. Okay. They could do. And this is a, you can see no light in this room. There's no light at all. This room has no light at all. Only fan and AC are working. This is the AC and this is the fan. This is the gallery light of that room. Only one light is that side. And this is a bathroom which I had just shown you. Okay. Now, again I have put on all the ACs because some customer was coming. Hence, you can see there's no light here also. The AC is working, the fan is working in the kitchen, but there's no light. Okay, so that we have to arrange. In the living room also, in the living room there are small lights. One, and that's a two. That's a 3, that's a 3 AC, fan, this is a fan number 1 and fan number 2, and the mini light 3 that side and 3 this side. There's 6 mini light here in the living area. Yes, आप काम करने वाले?
हाँ सर, एसी वाला।
ओके ओके ओके। And I don't know why these are 6 light in the living room, and there are 3 light for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the gallery, but these are not working. These lights only are fitted. These are the 5 lights in the gallery which are not working. Oh, I don't know. Oh yes, yes. Oh yes, this started working. The switch was here. So in the living area there are 6 small lights and 5 lights in the gallery. Including that means there are 5 and 6, 11, total 11 lights. But not a big reasonable light. There's not one big reasonable light. Now comes the second bedroom. No light. You can see fan moving. You can see AC working. AC working. And here I enter the bathroom. There is only one point in the shower area. There's again mini light. And this is a tap, water coming. And here is a toilet seat. Okay, I can show you one thing. Now I move to the third bedroom. In the same area also, fan working, AC working. No of this thing, light here. And this is the pillar in third room, near bedroom, master bedroom. This is the pillar which they were doing work day for yesterday, and yesterday they had just painted, and this pillar require more coat. Mr. Shop Sharma said that we will coat it after 10 days or so. So this is the new area. This place is okay. This portion is okay, but in front this portion is little not shining. It requires one more dry and more coat. This area requires one more coat. Okay, so this I am entering the bathroom of the third bathroom for the bedroom. This is a toilet. You can see the water coming. Shower working, hand shower working, and this is the wash basin. The below area under, they have just done it as they have done. They say we do just like this only. I don't know how they. You can see inside, just putty type tuna paint. They have just done it from inside. Yeah, this is a shower area. Under shower area there is a mini light. This is a mini light shower area. Okay, so third room. Now I move to master bedroom. This is the outside area. I got it clean little bit, whichever I got good. And now I am moving to fourth. That's called master bedroom. This is a master bedroom. AC I have not put it on because I am likely to go. This is okay working. This is the cupboard area. They were not easily accepting to clean, but I got it as much as I could do. this is the bathroom. This I will in the bathroom area. Here is the toilet seat, functioning okay. Here you can see the water. Master bedroom. This is hand shower okay. And this is a light. This is the only light which is working here, and there are certain more lights. I don't know. Yes, these are. I don't know why. These are, yeah, these are the. There are three. There are total 4 lights in the master bedroom. One in the toilets, near toilet, and one in the front area gallery. This is the front area in the gallery. One, this is light on the top. This light is on top, and that is inside. Now you are seeing 4th light is in the shower area. Here is the tub you can see. I got it clean. They had been dirty. I got it clean nicely, and see, this is the area. Top, and this is the front portion of glass. Clean. This is the front portion. While you are taking bath in the tub area, you can have a look of this tower. This is a tower. I think A or E, I don't know what is that. E, master bedroom के पीछे ये tower. This tower you are going to face when you are taking bath in the tub. If anything you need photo more, gallery I had shown you already. I think I have to come daily in the air in the detail. जब दुकान खोलते हैं ऐसे दुकान खोल के मैं बैठियों करूँगा, लंच लेकर आ जाऊँगा, कोई कस्टमर आएगा किसी देखेंगे उसको मैं खींच के ले आऊँ करूँगा अपना, देखो पहले मेरा देखो भाई. Okay, that's the only thing now. Yes, one foreign client came at about 3 o'clock, and I told the dealer the rate is already fixed here because 17 number has been hired out, rented out by Kuldeep Bhatia. That was for 51.5 plus maintenance. So I'm quoting 1.5 plus maintenance to be paid by the rentee, and 1 for the small flat. This is generally I'm quoting. Finally, decision is to be made by you and the client. I am just announcing that this is likely price. So whatever if I'm quoting little higher or down, you can change it. You can direct me. What should I quote? Okay. So I am going to close all the items. Is it good? It's a big area now. 17 floor, second number. I wanted to see myself inside, which has been rented out for 1.5 plus maintenance, but it was closed now. I will go definitely. I want to meet the owner also. Yes, now I will show you something about the kitchen. About the kitchen, machine has to come outside here. Machine has to come outside in this area. That's why you should not open. It is just lying. It has to come inside. Now I am moving to servant quarter side. I'm in the open gallery. This is room number 1. You can't see anything. You can't anything till light is fitted and fan is fitted. Presently there is no light at all. Room number 1, and this is room number 2. This is room number 2, little big. This is a bathroom. This is a bathroom of the servant. This is a wash basin. This is a wash basin, and this is a toilet. This is a toilet, and I don't know why photo is not coming. Why this bloody toilet is not coming in the photo? Why it's not coming? So this is okay, what is coming? Forget that. Maintenance will be effective to you from 1st November. I think up to 31st October. It is exempted. Yeah, door is not being closed properly. Servant quarter, one door is not. This is light outside. I'm going to close all the lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now light has gone from outside. I'm not closing, locking, but I have just locked from inside. I'm locking the TV. I'm locking and going to home. Yeah, I think today flat was okay, and if they really need, then they will inform me. Oh, all the 5 gallery lights are I am putting all the ACs and